Embarking on the journey to YouTube stardom is an exhilarating adventure, and mastering the intricacies of the YouTube algorithm is your ultimate roadmap to success. In this dynamic digital realm, understanding what works and what doesn't can be the game changer that propels your content to new heights. As a fellow content creator who has navigated the landscape through trial and error, I'm here to share in-depth insights and detailed tips to unlock the full potential of the YouTube algorithm. 1. Understanding the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm's personalized approach relies on creating a digital persona for viewers based on their preferences. It prioritizes content that aligns with a viewer's watch history, subscribe channels, and interests. What doesn't? Overlooking the importance of personalization can result in content that fails to engage your target audience effectively. Pro Tip 1. Decoding algorithm preferences. In-depth analytics exploration is like having a roadmap to success. Dive into YouTube analytics to comprehend viewer behaviors and demographics, allowing you to tailor your content strategy for maximum impact. What doesn't? Ignoring analytics means missing out on valuable insights that could significantly enhance your content and overall engagement. Tip 2. Consistency is key. Consistency speaks volumes to the algorithm. Regular uploads not only keep your audience engaged, but also signal to the algorithm that your channel is active and reliable. What doesn't? An inconsistent posting schedule can lead to decreased visibility and lower favor with the algorithm. Tip 3. Captivate with thumbnails and titles. Your chance to make a lasting impression lies in eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles. Seamless integration of relevant keywords boosts discoverability and click-through rates. What doesn't? Neglecting the visual appeal of thumbnails and using generic titles can result in lower click-through rates. Pro Tip 4. Optimize for discoverability. Make your video easily discoverable by optimizing descriptions with relevant keywords, including timestamps and effective calls to action, CTAs, enhances the user experience. What doesn't? Ignoring the importance of detailed descriptions and user-friendly elements can hinder your video's visibility. Pro Tip 5. Visual appeal matters. Thumbnails are your first visual impression. Maintaining a consistent color scheme, using contrasting colors, and incorporating emotions or expressive faces enhance click-through rates. What doesn't? Poorly designed or generic thumbnails may result in your content being overlooked. Pro Tip 6. Build authentic engagement. Encourage genuine engagement through likes, comments, and subscriptions. Responding promptly to comments builds a sense of community around your channel. What doesn't? Neglecting engagement can lead to a lack of community connection, hindering the growth of your channel. Pro Tip 7. Playlist Power Play. Create playlists that keep viewers immersed in your content. Use end screens not only to promote other videos, but also to turn one-time viewers into loyal fans through subscriptions. What doesn't? Ignoring the potential of playlists can limit your channel's ability to retain viewers. Pro Tip 8. Collaboration magic. Expand your audience by collaborating with fellow YouTubers in your niche. Share your content across social media platforms, tailoring your approach to each platform's unique audience. What doesn't? Neglecting collaborations and social media promotion can limit your channel's reach. These insights, coupled with ongoing analysis of real-time data, form a comprehensive strategy for navigating the YouTube algorithm and ensuring sustained growth for your channel. Keep experimenting, learning, and adapting to the evolving landscape of YouTube content creation. Now, armed with algorithmic wisdom and learned lessons, you're ready to conquer YouTube and leave your mark in the digital realm. Happy creating!